What's up, everybody? It's Jed Johnson from DieselCrew.com coming at you today with a video telling you about a contest that's coming up on May 10th, and it's in Spokane, Washington. It's being held as part of the Empire Classic Expo, which is going on May 10th. Now, this is just one thing of many that's going on at this expo. So if you're not into grip, you should go anyway. If you're in the Spokane area, you need to check this out. But the grip challenge that's taking place is going on right there at the Expo Center, and these are the events. Okay? I'll be there promoting, I'll be there running everything. I can't wait to see you there. Come over, get involved in the contest. You're going to love grip sport. The first event is grippers with a 20mm block set. So I will stand there, I will be judging. As you set the gripper, I will hand you the block. You have to swipe the block between the gripper handles to show that it fits. Then you close the gripper down. That's exactly how it goes. You get 4 attempts. There's going to be a whole table of grippers that are all rated, and you can make the jumps as you see fit. You can start out high. If you miss, you can drop down. It's not always like that in grip sport, as we're going to talk about later on. So the first event is grippers. Next is two-hand pinch. We're going to be using an adjustable device. It's the napalm pinch. We're only going to use 54mm though, simply because that is the most popular width that's used in grip sport, and we want to keep the contest moving. You'll get 4 attempts. Now, whereas with the grippers, if you miss, you can drop down to a lighter gripper. With pinch, you can't do that. It's called rising bar. So we're going to start out somewhere around 100, 120 pounds, and you take 4 attempts. You get on the implement, you make your attempt. This is how it goes. You take an overhand grip on the implement. You've seen these videos on my channel. If not, click the link here and it'll show you a video that goes over exactly how the event is used. You take an overhand grip, you lift the device up, and you have to touch the loading bar with the weights. You have to touch that bar onto a crossbar that sits there at 16.5 inches. So it's a partial movement. The idea of the event is to show control, lifting it off the ground, touching the stick, and then returning it to the floor under control. That's what it's all about. Again, 4 attempts, rising bar, so if you start too high, it's going to cause a problem. You're going to end up getting a 0 if you keep missing. All right? Next is double overhand axle deadlift. We're going to use the Iron Mind axle. This is all going to be official, guys. We're going to have a weigh-in. You'll be able to qualify for grip sport records. All of our weights are weighed or calibrated and registered. This is going to be a legit competition. Double overhand axle deadlift. So we'll be using a bar that's roughly 2 inches thick. It's from Iron Mind Enterprises. You'll pick the bar up in a double overhand grip. You'll pick it up to lock out and then return it to the floor under control. I'll be right there judging. You can rest assured that your lifts will be judged accurately. I've got lots of experience both running and competing in contests, so make sure to come out. Next is a grip medley. I know the promoter Ivan very well. He's a sick man, a sick individual, and that is exactly how his medley is going to be as well. This thing is so crazy, he hasn't even told me everything that's going to be in it. I can't wait to see it all go down. There's going to be chains, there's going to be odd objects, there's going to be all kinds of crazy stuff that's going to be lifted and moved in this event. It's going to be a good time. And then, to cap this all off, the last event is wrist roller and rope pull for time. So you must complete a course, a 2-stage course. First is a wrist roller, where you're going to wind up a cord with like a sled at the other end. You're going to wind that up. Once you wound it up, then you go to the rope, you pull the rope, and then you've got to complete the course as fast as possible. Fastest time wins. It's going to be very demanding. You're not going to be able to, there's no holding back. Let's put it that way. You got to go all out. Everything you have left, you got to commit it in the wrist roller and rope pull. This is going to be a great contest, guys. This is going to be in a great venue. It's a contest in a fitness venue. The main draw for this is a bodybuilding fitness type contest type show, but there's a lot of other stuff going on. This is great for grip sport. Ivan Ribic is putting together an awesome extravaganza on May 10th, Spokane, Washington. Get your rental car reserved, get your airline tickets bought. We'll see you there for the grip strength competition at the Empire Classic on May 10th. If you need any information, check out the website SpokaneFitExpo.com/grip_event.html, and I'll put the link below. I'll be running everything, guys. You'll be under my watchful care. Alright? Can't wait to see you there. Can't wait to meet guys like Todd Conan. I know that he's coming. He's been a long-time member of my website, thegripauthority.com. I've never had a chance to meet him. Can't wait to meet Austin Slater. He's right out in that neck of the woods. He's done grip before. He's been involved since the early 2000s. I've never had a chance to meet him. It's going to be great. Guys like Pat Burke will be there, Jody Williams. These guys are arm wrestlers. They've just found out about grip. They want to get involved, and with something so close to their homes, they can't wait to hit this contest up. It's going to be great meeting those guys as well. And I want to meet you too. So if you're in the Spokane, Washington area, May 10th, come and sign up for the Grip Challenge. Can't wait. All the best for your training. Take care.